Hey, beauties, ever wake up, look in the mirror and wish you could just roll into school looking flawless? But you only have like 5 minutes and zero energy. That's where the magic of the no makeup look comes in. I'm here to spill all the secrets to looking fresh, awake, and totally put together, without anyone guessing you're actually wearing makeup. So imagine this, you, but as a claymation character, literally sculpting your glow. First things first, moisturizer. Seriously, don't skip it. Glowy skin starts with hydrated skin. Dab a little onto your face and let it sink in. Think of it as prepping your canvas before you get artsy. Next up, concealer is your bestie. Forget caking on foundation, just tap a tiny bit of creamy concealer under your eyes, on any little blemishes and around your nose if you get red there. Use your finger, a brush, or, if you're a claymation pro, a cute little sculpting tool. It's all about blending so it looks just like your real skin. Now this is where the magic happens. Tinted brow gel. Even if you skip everything else, brushed up brows make you look awake and polished. Swipe the gel through your brows following their natural shape. You'll be amazed at the instant lift it gives your face. Okay, let's talk lashes. Curl them, just a quick squeeze, nothing wild, and swipe on a tiny bit of brown mascara. Brown keeps it soft and natural, like you just woke up with perfect lashes. If your school has strict rules, you can even skip mascara, just curl and go. For that fresh-faced flush, grab a creamy blush. Bonus points if it doubles as a lip tint. Smile, dab it on your cheeks, and blend with your fingers. Tap a little on your lips for that just bitten look, and suddenly you're glowing. But in that I woke up like this way. Final step, highlighter. Not the blinding kind, just a tiny bit of cream or liquid highlighter on the tops of your cheekbones and maybe a dab on your nose. Think dewy, not glittery. And that's it. You've sculpted a totally effortless, claymation-inspired glam that looks supernatural and barely there. The best part? You're ready for the day in under 5 minutes with zero stress. So, next time you want to feel confident but keep it low-key, remember these no makeup secrets. It's all about enhancing what you've already got, not hiding it. Embrace your realness, let your natural beauty shine, and walk into school feeling like the main character, because you totally are. If you try this look, let me know how it goes in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more effortless glam tips. See you next time.